While tuberculosis TB requires medical treatment, there are several natural remedies that can help support the immune system and alleviate symptoms during recovery. Here are some effective options. Garlic. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and immune-boosting properties. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet may help enhance your body's ability to fight infections. Mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves can be used to flavor drinks. They help clear the respiratory tract and improve airflow, while also providing antioxidants that support the immune system. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help reduce mucus and inflammation in the respiratory system. Consuming fresh pineapple can be beneficial. Indian gooseberry amla. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, Indian gooseberry can help boost immunity and may aid in the recovery process from TB. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help strengthen the immune system and support overall health. Green tea. Drinking green tea can provide antioxidants that may help combat oxidative stress and support immune function. Black pepper. Black pepper can enhance the absorption of nutrients and may help improve respiratory health. Adding it to your meals can be beneficial. Celery. Celery is hydrating and contains antioxidants that can support overall health. Including it in your diet can help maintain hydration and nutrition. Sunshine. Exposure to sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, which is essential for immune function. Spending time outdoors can be beneficial. Acupuncture. Acupuncture may help strengthen the immune response and support lung function, providing a complementary approach to traditional treatment. Important note: while these natural remedies can support recovery, they should not replace conventional medical treatment for tuberculosis. It's crucial to follow your healthcare provider's recommendations and complete the prescribed course of antibiotics to effectively treat TB. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new remedies, especially in the context of a serious condition like tuberculosis.